Thinking about transforming your home, but want style without the huge price tag? Laminate flooring might be your perfect match. And with the right general contractor in Vancouver, WA, you can customize your space beautifully. Laminate flooring delivers the look of hardwood or stone, but at a fraction of the cost. Today's laminate isn't cheap looking. It's engineered with multiple layers, making it scratch-resistant, moisture-resistant, durable, and perfect for busy families with kids or pets. From modern marble textures to rustic oak, laminate gives you almost endless design freedom. Light tones make rooms look bigger, darker tones add depth and richness. And maintenance? Easy. Just sweep, vacuum, and occasional damp mop. No refinishing, no polishing like hardwood. But here's the key. Installation matters. An experienced general contractor ensures proper leveling, the right underlayment, and a seamless finish that lasts. So, if you're ready to customize your space with stylish, affordable laminate flooring, contact Prestige Construction and Home Remodeling, your trusted general contractor in Vancouver, WA. Let's upgrade your floors with precision and professional results.